Hi, my name is Neil Sandell. We are the Ovivo customer service team and we're here to look after your contracts. I've been with Ovivo now for nearly 16 years. Some of our heritage brands include Jones & Atwood, Bracket Green and Copa.
Hello, I'm Andy Hoth. I'm a proposals engineer here at the UK Customer Service Centre at Ovivo West Bromwich. I'm responsible for spares orders. The department, as well as that, also handles refurbishment, service and maintenance contracts. We have machinery that covers all of the plant from the start right the way through to the end. I'm responsible for dealing with the customers when they come in and want a price for a particular part, identifying what they need and obviously give them all the requisite information.
Hi, my name's Leon Turton. I joined Ovivo November 2010, originally with a purchasing background. I joined and I'm now in the aftermarket and spares proposals team. Really enjoying it.
Hi, my name's Lee Anslow. I'm a proposals engineer for the refurbishment side of the business. Worked for the company for in excess of 20 years and I'd like to show you around some of the equipment that we're currently refurbishing. This is a CF200 screen which has come back from Tilbury Sewage Treatment Works. It's coming for a full refurbishment. The screen will then be fully refurbished to an almost new standard, and then it can be sent back to site and reinstalled and commissioned and put back into service.
Thank you very much for watching this film. It's been a pleasure to show you Ovivo and the UK Customer Service Department in particular. If you've got any queries, feel free to contact us. We're here to service your needs, so we'll answer any queries you may have. Goodbye.